Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and physical stability. Attach the Faro to a sturdy tripod, level it within 1 degree, and either insert a charged battery or plug into AC. Next, power on the unit and wait for boot diagnostics. Make sure firmware is current to avoid capture errors. Once done, load your control tablet and confirm storage availability. You prepare reflectors or spheres and set the scan resolution, because these initial choices determine capture quality and file size. You now configure scan parameters. Choose resolution and range according to scene detail, balancing time versus data volume. Position targets or rely on cloud-to-cloud registration, ensuring 30 to 50% overlap between stations so software aligns scans robustly. Start the scan, monitor the live point cloud feed, and adjust exposure or HDR settings if surfaces wash out. Move systematically to adjacent stations, record each position in your log, and verify partial alignment. You finish by importing scans into Faro Scene or your processing suite, perform global registration, and run noise filters to remove stray points. This improves model quality. Then set your coordinate system, apply any transformations, and export the final dataset as E57, loss, or OBJ depending on downstream needs. If alignment fails or holes appear, add another scan with higher overlap or place additional targets. Then rerun registration. Make sure timestamps and metadata are preserved for traceability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.